play quick today. It's going to challenge your memory skills, observation skills and speed. It's a highly competitive game for youngsters. Let me explain. It is a 2-level game. With one level, first level is going to challenge your speed and the second level is going to challenge your memory skills. So let's start playing. Shall I explain it to you?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have 3 sets over here. This is a green set which has a theme of nature. We have the yellow set which has a theme of global, and we have the orange set over here which has a theme of entertainment. Along with these 3 sets, we have category cards accordingly. 5 category in each set, 5 category cards in each set. So let me start explaining with one set. Let me start explaining with the set which has a theme of nature. So what we are going to do in the first level is we are going to spread out the cards like this on a table. Just spread it out as much as you can. Yeah. So we are going to select the category cards with the green color marked here. We are going to place them face down on the table. And what we are going to do is I am going to uncover a category card, and as soon as I uncover the category card, you have to start collecting cards related with that theme category. Like you are going to start picking up gemstones. Can you pick it up fast? Like whatever gemstones, there are 7 cards in each category. So after you collect 7 cards between you have to stop. There is an 8th dummy card which you should not pick up. If you pick up the 8th dummy card, you are going to put it back down again. So let's see how can you pick it up. Are all 7 cards collected? Right. You have got 5 cards, 6 and 7. So I'll uncover all the 7 cards have been collected, right? So you can start with the another category. I'm going to uncover another category, mountain ranges. Speed up. Get it fast. What are the mountain ranges? Can you see? Yes? Okay. Have you got 7 cards between you? I think you have got 5, 6, 7. How did you get the 8th card? You have to put down the wild card. Furniture is not a mountain range category. Right? In this way, you are going to collect all the cards. Right? As soon all the cards on the table finish off, the wild or the dummy cards have to be down. Okay? So we'll move on to level 2. All of you have picked up different cards of different color tags. Okay, so if you look at your cards, you are going to find 5 different color tags with numbers series from 1 to 7. So you will have cards with red 1 to 7 numbers, yellow 1 to 7, pink, green and blue. Right? So you don't have to display what you have collected. Pick it up. You can't show it to what you have collected, because the next level is going to demand your memory skills. So look at your cards. You may have 2 yellow cards numbered 3, 4, or you may have blue color cards numbered 5, 6. So whatever you have to start collecting, the next goal is to start collecting the whole series of 1 to 7 of a particular color tag. So if you can start playing by, if you have some missing numbers, you can ask for
yellow 7.
Let me explain. You can ask for the other player with that specific number and specific color. Like you have to explain. Do you have the yellow 7 card?
Yes.
Yeah. So you can give it to him. So you can keep on asking. Ask him for some other number.
Pink 1.
You can ask her which is not.
Red 1.
So she doesn't have a card, right? So now she gets another chance to ask in a similar manner for other players for that specific number and color.
Okay.
So you can start asking.
Pink 1. Pink 6. Green 3.
Okay, so this is how we go ahead, and after you have completed, you can keep collecting and asking. So you have to remember what the other person has asked and what the other person has said not at home. So you have to remember who has which card, right? So after you collect, see, for example, if he has collected yellow series from 1 to 7, you collect green series from 1 to 7. Everyone collects different series. After you have collected all the series together, there are no loose cards left, right? So what you have to do then is ask for the whole series. If you have the yellow series, you have to ask him, give me the red series or give me the green series. In this manner, the person which collects the all the color series is the winner. In this manner, we have to start collecting the whole series like from 1 to 7. So each color tag 1 to 7 series has to be collected by one person. After collecting the whole series, we have to start asking for the series. Like give me the green series, give me the yellow series, and in this manner, the person who is going to collect all the color tags from 1 to 7 is the winner.